We've just gone through the checkpoint, so we're now inside the West Bank. Alright, so that's where most biblical stories of the Old Testament happened inside. So, yeah, that's where we're at now. With a broken thumb, and my mom has just broken hers as well.
This is not the heart of the West Bank. They are Palestinian with the Palestinian citizenship. You see them to your right and left. But it's not the West Bank. This is what we call it the bypass for the Jews to use instead of driving in the heart of the West Bank. But at the edge of this bypass, we have Palestinian villages here and there.
Okay.
We just passed a village, a Palestinian village. Look here to the front right. This is a Jewish one.
Like this is the Jewish one. Okay.
What's the distance? Is there a border between this and that? No border. There is no fence. There is no, wall.
Okay.
The only thing that this is surrounded with a fence.
Uh-huh.
You can see the Israeli flag there.
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah. But
Defense.
the flag, I live in it, that's the same move.
Defense,
But nada, no fence, yes. Nah, my flag. So there, but he bypass is not proper. Like I see the Palestine proper view, yeah. Which is Israel, so he bypass. So kunama Palestine villages, kunama Israel villages. Kodwa makuwe i-Palestina proper bongeke uzibone ama-village ama-Israel, kodwa bayawafaka ngenkani, afakwa ama-Israel. Ama-Israel angena ngenkani ngoba bathi umhlaba wabo vele umhlaba wabo nalo.
South Africa bazitshela ukuthi lawa ama-Israel athatha indawo yabantu nje.
Basho njalo phela kodwa eBhayibhelini uNkulunkulu